To have a nice experience watching movies on Munowatch, you need to download yourself the Munowatch Lite application. Onto this video, I'm going to show you how it's done. But before I may go further, if this video is of great help to you, like it, leave a nice comment, or you can even go ahead to subscribe onto this channel. So to download this application and install it onto your phone, tap on the Google Play Store application. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account in order to have this application downloaded onto your phone. So tap on the search button and get to put in Munowatch app download. Then get to tap install. So we're gonna wait for a couple of minutes depending on the speed of the internet. So let's wait. According to what I see, it's installing now. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. The Munowatch Lite application. Let's wait for it. It's installed. So you then get to tap open.